In this lecture, I will be showing you how to install WordPress theme and the plugins. So first of all, let's log into the WordPress admin. Now this is the dashboard. Now let's navigate to appearance and then themes. Now you can see the default theme, that is 2019, which we get when you upgrade to WordPress 5.1. So let's try to install the hotel booking theme. To install the theme, click on add new, then click on upload theme and choose the theme. So I have kept the theme already. This is the hotel booking theme, and simply click on open to install the theme. But I have already installed it, so I don't need to again install it. So this is the theme that I already installed. So now let's activate it. Once you have installed the theme and it's activated, you may see a difference in your WordPress. As you can see, the colors have been changed and the structure is also different. Now let's try to activate the plugins. Select all and click on activate. Now it will take some time depending on the hosting that you are using. So some of the big plugins don't get activated once, so you will need to refresh the page. Try to activate it. Once everything is done, you may not be able to see this install plugins under the appearance. So if it doesn't work, try to open it again and try to activate it. Some plugins may activate fast, some may take time. So if you get this error like sorry, you are not allowed to access this page, it means that the plugin has been activated. Now you can see under the appearance the option is no longer available. It means that all the plugins that we needed with the theme are activated. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, I will be showing you how we can import the demo data for our theme.